Haversley participates in the copper industry, which is a highly commoditized industry. One of our distinct advantages is that we provide throughout the organization both manufacturing and distribution opportunities and capabilities for our customers.
There's a lot of different things that are important to different customers. Some people it's term, some people it's delivery time, short leads, or whatever the case. And so we look for a solution to whatever the individual customer's problem is, and I think that makes us special. And I think that we have some key players here that are best in industry. They continually step up on a daily basis.
One thing that I think sets us apart as an organization is, we're a 75-year-old manufacturing company in Berks County, PA. And in order to be in business in our markets, the industries we serve, for 75 years, it comes down to having some of the greatest people. And their commitment to delivering great service to our customers, to problem solve not only internal operational challenges, but to help our customers achieve their goals.
In our division, the responsibilities I have for the Standard Products division, we sell to plumbing wholesalers, HVAC wholesalers, and it's a distribution channel that they then sell on to the end users, who would be the mechanical contractors, the plumbers, other folks that are doing the actual installation of our products. Most of our products are plumbing tube related, but also for the air conditioning and refrigeration market as well.
Well, our relationship starts with our sales team, developing the purchasing relationship on the buying side with our customers, bringing that customer into the organization to develop a relationship with our distribution and manufacturing team. So the entire organization has an understanding of what the customer does and what his needs are. With our engineering team and quality team, perhaps we can offer a cheaper alloy or alternative alloy, and also first and second stage machining to get the customer the product more at the finished or end use stage than at the initial machining stage.
We have 5 big companies that really drive the HVAC OEM market, but there's tons of customers underneath them, and they all have subtle differences. And so what we do is we tailor our product to fit their processes, depending on if they're going to expand or bend or whatever. So from a tempering standpoint, and then in some cases we do complete ground up, working with their engineering team to do product development. So that type of sell is a lot more of a closer knit partnership with OEMs and our IMD division than it is a stocking type program for contractors. Our whole goal from a management team is pretty simple. It's to remove roadblocks and to create synergies. So breaking down those plants to where there's no silos and where everybody is flexible, moving, and all working together as one big plant is certainly going to be a key to our success. What we're trying to do is we don't go out and try to do a Me Too product. We're going out and we're trying to find problems. We have some products that are evolutionary, and we have some that are revolutionary. And so when we do that, though, we're all starting with being a solution, finding a problem, then coming up with a product, not trying to be a Me Too. So our big deal is to separate ourselves from the herd. And we do that by being a solution-based company. And I think our migration out of a commodity-based business into more engineered products is certainly our future.